Cooking in the Kitchen with Renee episode, making some fried okra that I grew in my garden. I just chopped them up. This is what my okra look like that I picked from my garden. It is so fresh, and I am so excited to be frying me up some okra. And we're also going to do some fried pickles. Got my pickles in here, and I also have that big Papa pickle that I told you I found in one of those convenience stores. Look at this. This pickle is nice and juicy, and I'm going to cut this up in little coins like these pickles. And then I'm going to be using this Kentucky Kernels seasoned flour that I picked up at Walmart. And I'm going to have an egg wash that I'm going to put my okra into the egg wash. Then I'm going to put them inside this bag that I have some of that Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. And then we're going to take it over to the stove where I have my cast iron skillet getting hot. So when we're ready to get to putting the okra and the fried pickles in there, I'll bring you on back. Aren't you guys excited? I know I am, because we're going to be eating some fried okra out of my garden. And you know I love a good fried pickle, child. Love it, love it, love it. So let me cut up this pickle so we'll be ready to dip it in the egg wash and get it to frying. Guys, so what I did is I put my pickles in the egg wash. I'm going to coat them really, really well. And then once they're coated really well, then I am going to put them inside of our Ziploc bag right here that I added some of that Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. Woohoo! Alright, let's get these pickles in the bag. So I am putting the pickles inside of the bag. So we're going to shake these all up, and then we're going to take them over to the skillet, and we are going to fry them up. Are you guys excited? Look how good them pickles look in the flour, seasoned flour. I'm going to put a little pepper, more pepper on there, maybe a little cayenne pepper, maybe some of my bell pepper seasoning. I'm going to slap that on there, and girl, it's going to be some good eating. Guys, our oil is hot, so we are going to take these pickles, and we are going to put them in the oil. Look at that. Sizzling, sizzling, sizzling. That's the way I like it. Woohoo! So we're just going to continue to take these, shake off as much of that batter as we can, and we're just going to drop them in there. And then we're just going to let them do what they do. And that is make us some good fried pickles. Yes, ma'am. Love me a good fried pickle. And with some ranch. Ooh. You can put these pickles with any kind of seasoning that you like. Whatever your little heart's desire. You just coat it and put it in there. So I'm going to put the rest of these pickles in here. And then I'll come back when they are ready to be turned. And I'll show you how toasty brown they're going to be. Guys, look at these pickles. They look nice and golden brown, just the way I like them. We'll be taking these out. Then I'm going to cook the rest of them. And then the next batch is going to be our okra. Going to put some okra in there. So we're going to be making some fried pickles and some okra. So these look like they're ready to be taken out and put on our platter. Yep. Woohoo! I'm so excited to eat these. I love me some fried pickles. Boy, that's my favorite. Anything dill pickle, got my name written all over it. So let me take these out, and I will show you what they look like on our paper plate, because I'm going to stick them and put them right here on this paper plate right here. Right here is where we're going to stick these bad boys. Right here. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? Yeah. Love it. Should have my wire spatula. But this is okay because this will work just fine. Just fine, you guys. Woohoo! Tell me down in the comments if you guys have ever made fried pickles. And what kind of dipping sauce do you put? I think I'm going to put some of that tahini salt on mine. And I'm also going to do some ranch dressing. Yep. I'm going to have maybe I can find some other sauces in my refrigerator. And we going to see what we can do. Yeah. Oh, you know that sweet chili sauce that we picked up when I was in the Dollar Tree? That I said I wanted to try. Let's try some of that sauce on these fried pickles and see how that tastes. Ooh, I think that's gonna be delicious, you guys. All right, let me finish taking these out of the oil so I can get the other ones going. And I'm cooking these in olive oil. That's what I'm cooking my fried pickles in. All right, let me get these out. Let's put the next batch in. Guys, now it's time for the okra. The pickles are done. Okra is going in next. So I'm going to coat this with the egg wash and the seasoning that I put on there. Put a little cayenne pepper in there. A little smoked paprika. And we are going to put that into our bag right here. Woohoo! So let me get my tongs, put this in there, and we're going to take this over to the stove. Guys, let's get the okra into our skillet over here. Woohoo! It's okra time, you guys. Look at that. Just a sizzling. Love it, love it, love it. I love me some fried okra too. Telling you, that's the benefits of having your own garden, because then you can grow what you like and you can stick it in a skillet and prepare it the way you like it. Listen to that sizzle. I know I'm making you guys hungry, but I can't wait to dip into this. Woo! I've been waiting for my okra plant to produce, and it is producing for me now. Even though it's not a lot of okra, I'm going to enjoy every little bit of okra that I can get off of those plants. And I should get a lot because I have like 12 plants out there. 12, you guys. So, y'all pray for me that I could at least get a good harvest off of this. This is my first harvest. Now, there's some more coming on there, so I should be getting my second harvest of my okra soon. Look at that. And look at my fried pickles over here. They ready to be eaten as well. So let me show you the sauces that I'm going to be trying with the fried pickles and the okra. Sauces. This is the one sauce that I got from the Dollar Tree. I should say the $1.25. This sweet chili sauce. So I'm anxious to try that. And then I'm going to try some of this tahini salt, which would be great. And then I thought we'd try some of this ranch. Are you ready to get down with the taste test? After I get all of my okra and my pickles ready. Woohoo! That's coming up. So when my okras are nice and brown, I'll come back and show you, and then let the taste test begin. I am so excited, especially to try this one, this sweet chili sauce. And I got it, like I said, from the $1.25 store, the Dollar Tree. All right, guys, taste test coming up soon. Guys, look at the okra. The okra looks good. Looks like it's almost ready to come out. That one looks like it's ready. So I'm just going to sit the okra right there on top of the fried pickles. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Be an up close look at that okra. I'm telling you, if you are not an okra lover, I'm hoping to convince you to grow some okra so you can fry your own okra up and you can taste it yourself. You can put any kind of seasonings that you want on your okra. It's up to you. Sometimes when I'm out in the garden, I just like to eat the okra straight out of the garden. Just wash it off out there under the garden hose and make it my little snack. That's how I roll with the okra. Alright, you guys, let me get this okra together and then we're going to come back for the taste test. Look at that okra. Doesn't that look delicious? Smells heavenly too. Look at that, it's fogging up my camera. Alright guys, I'll be back for the taste test. Come on, okra. Freshly grown. Woohoo! I figured we'd have a proper taste test. So I'm going to be sitting at my dining room table, and over here we have our fried okra that I have set up with my lemon plate. And then over here we have our sweet chili sauce right here. We have the ranch dressing. And over here we have our fried pickles. And then I have on the side some of this tahini seasoning. So I'm going to get set up and then we are going to have a fantastic taste test sitting at my dining room table. I figured it called for a special occasion. All right, let's get the taste test going. Woohoo! I can't wait. Guys, so are you excited about having the taste test? Because I know I am. I have been waiting for this okra, and I have been waiting for these fried pickles. So let me bring you on down, and I'm going to dip them in the sauce, and then I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Let's start with the fried okra in the sweet chili sauce. This is fantastic. Now let's try the okra in the ranch dressing. I think anything you put okra in is fantastic. Now let's try it with this tahini sauce. Let's sprinkle some of this on here. It gives us another flavor. Has like an aftertaste of like lime. And it's really, really good. So let's try the fried pickles, my favorite. And ranch. Now, let's try it with the sweet chili sauce. Here we go, you guys. Sweet chili sauce. You could not go wrong with this sweet chili sauce that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Fantastic. Let's try some with the tahini salt. All right, guys. So we have tried our taste test with our fried okra straight out the garden. And then some fried pickles. From 1 to 10, okra always gets a 10. Fried pickles always gets a 10. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Renee with fried okra and fried pickles. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Alright, you guys, I'm going to finish this up, and I will talk to you in the next video. Don't forget, try okra or fried pickles. Woohoo! It's the best. All right, guys, take care.